Hey, what's going on, guys? Tosh from Stack Trading. Today we're going to take a look at some of the trades that we took today and give a little more in-depth analysis of how we traded, why we traded, and some of our exit strategies along with it. So to kick it off, let's take a look at Beyond. Now, the market this morning was a little flat. We had a lot of names not have any type of movement to the upside or the downside coming into the trading day today. However, around 9 a.m., Beyond Meat actually had a report come in that they were going to be expanding their product distribution further into Walmart supercenters. What does that mean? This means that Beyond Meat triples their distribution that they currently have in place. So around 9 a.m., we noticed that Beyond Meat immediately shot up around 5%. So what did we do? We waited for opportunity as soon as the market opened. Around 9 a.m., there was a bull flag that started to form here. And on the breakout of around 162.5, 163, we actually caught some longs. And within 15 minutes of the market being open, we were already taking our profits as it shot up to around 168, 169 price range, because we knew it was starting to become a little overextended as it tested that 170 area. We checked out the level 2 and saw 170. There were a lot of sellers out there. So typically what we like to do, if we're already in a position that we've already made good profits on the day on a trade, we typically look to take our profits earlier better than later, right? So we were out of this. We had sellers, taking profits sometime at 167, 168, 179, and for traders that were in the trade as it popped up through 170, we made sure that they protected themselves and went through something that we like to call a bar by bar stop. So if you played it through the 170 break, as you can see here, it did break through 177. However, it did not hold. We had our traders get out at 168.35, just to make sure that you're protecting yourself on the potential of a big correction happening from that 170 price range. So that was an excellent day, excellent way to start off the day. At the same time, we also played NIO. Now, NIO had some pre-market news come out from Dutch Bank saying how great of a stock they thought NIO was, and quote, they could become the next iconic auto brand. So we knew NIO was a name that was heavily traded in the past, about a month ago, where it broke out of that $15 price range and shot up to 20 bucks. So we wanted to make sure that we kept eyes on that, on the potential opportunity of NIO breaking out. Now, there wasn't much pre-market activity. I believe NIO actually opened a little lower, if I stand correct. Let's see. But as you can see here on the opening bar right here at 9:30, NIO ripped to the upside. So we knew if NIO could hold this breakout, it had a lot of potential to really gather some steam and look to break out near the $20 price range. So we played NIO right on the opening bar. I got in around 1897, right before that 19 break, and the first 15-20 minutes, NIO was actually pulling back quite a bit. However, we remained patient. We had our stops around 1850, around the pre-market lows, and as long as those levels didn't break, we were going to hold NIO. Now, as you can see, NIO eventually did bounce off of its 8MA, which is a key technical tool that we look to hold for our long positions and short positions. But as long as it held the 8MA and 20MA, I personally felt very confident with this trade. As you can see, NIO finally did break out around here at the 10 o'clock candle. It hit a new high day of the 1919 and ripped to the upside and never looked back. We had a rip up the 1940. Some of our traders did take profits here. I was a little more greedy. Most of our traders were a little more greedy with this trade because we knew NIO was a prior name that had a lot of momentum. So therefore, if those same buyers were coming in to take these trades, there was a good chance history could repeat itself. So as you can see, there was a slight pause here, small bull flag, and immediately began to rip up again. Now, as it did approach $20, we initially had plans of NIO holding this for a swing, right? But we had made such a good return off of this rally up to $20, and knowing $20 was a key resistance level, we decided to just take our profits right there at $20. And if anything, sometime in the future, maybe sometime this week, we'll look to reestablish a long position. But NIO was such a home run trade for us. I personally I played an options contract on it and made 40% return on my options contract. So that's something that you definitely want to take off the table and wash your hands clean of. You know, no need to get greedy of it. It's Tuesday, it's early in the week. We had a killer day on BYND and NIO. You just book your profits and you know, keep your day moving. And we were done within the first hour of the trading day. So I like my money quick. I'm sure most of us do. So that's something we'll take off the board every single time, every single trade. So yeah, that pretty much wraps it up for us. Hope you enjoyed it, and please feel free to check us out at stacktrading.com. We are still offering 1 week free access to our trading room. So please feel free to come join the fun. Use launch code LAUNCH2020 in order to have free access. So we'll love to have you guys. All right, have a good one. Peace.